Right, morning. I suppose we best give you an update on to what's occurring, really, because you're not familiar with this anymore because you haven't seen it for a while. This is the start of a new journey for myself. It revolves around something else, which I'm going to introduce formally later today. It's big. It's big news. It's big, and it is big news. There's a big team development arrived, and you've got to hang on and wait and see. And then I will do a formal introduction to said thing. It's probably going to end up with its own sub-channel and subcontext and stuff. Yeah. We have to wait a while later to find out what it is. And to find out where I am. Morning, race fans. Very, very dreary, cold Sunday morning. Most people buy houses. Most people buy cars. Some people buy gold, watches. Some people win them as well. Me, I'm a bit different. Because I bought a bus. Come on, let's go. Let's show you. Right then, here we go. Volvo B10M bus coach. I'll put some footage in last night because we did an awful lot last night. We had pizza in here, we ripped all seats out, and I'm not going to lie to you, seats are there. Well, some of them. We're keeping 4 pairs, 8, with an additional driver's seat, so there's the DVSA rules and that in it. And this is what we managed to achieve last night, basically. Look how fucking big this is. It's huge. Got a little ramp there so kids can play with their Hot Wheels cars, race them to the bottom. Got a little ramp, poof, sorted. That's kids. It's as original, it's as fitted, it's had different seats in it, it's been refitted at some point. But anyway, to those who are new to the channel, this is to be our race bus. We do drag racing up at Melbourne, Santapod, street weekend. Building my boy a kart, but currently run out of places to store that. It's in the van. So yeah, today's mission is to see how much of this floor we can get out, if any, to get the rails out. I'm going to look at getting these radiators out as well, because our pickup truck, our P100 pickup truck, we've measured it, and if it was in here on the floor and it was all the way back, I'd be stood against its front bumper. So we're doing stuff with that. I'm going to put you on a time lapse, probably end up swapping the battery, and we'll see how much we get done. Let's go. From that corner, I guess.
Yeah, I'd start with it when it's already started to come down.
That one.
What's behind door number 1?
Just behind door number 1, nothing.
No.
That's fucking steel.
That's wood.
That's wood.
Yeah.
Ah. Well, thinking alley. Doesn't sound right to the alley. That is a good question, actually.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely steel. Lucky that is.
That's what?
That's definitely wood.
That's steel. actually.
I mean, at the end of the day, they're only real. Don't need them.
Mine's not as fancy.
Yeah. Ah.
I need to come
But
off.
that side panel comes under here. It comes through there. Look, there's a line of screws.
There'll be a seam there somewhere, aren't there?
Yeah, we'll find it. Carry on. I think it's just the steel all the way up. This has been put on as a bit of sound deadening, maybe. Just to bulk it out a little bit, maybe. Might need to take them big guns out, might we?
No.
You have to use a shorter one, you have to be a little bit sketchy with it.
So there's that short one.
Short one's a little one in there. Yeah. So what we've got is plastic cap trim. That little piece is shadowing all the little screws that holds this full rear cap on. Obviously we've never stripped a bus before, so we don't know, coach. So we don't know how they come apart. It's all trial and error, we don't actually know. Hi Alfie.
Hello.
Right, day 4, bus at home. We've done some stuff inside. Pulled some panels off. Pulled them panels off because they were rotten. That trim panel was rotten right there. It's not too bad though. The floors are on there. There's a big hole. Which is where we're going to go next because I need to work out how to get these radiators out. So, we're going to hand you over to my two beautiful assistants today. And we're going to go outside and we're going to do some stuff, aren't we? She's going to leak a lot, I assume.
Oh, you're going to ruin it now then?
Yeah, fuck it. It's got all night then, hasn't it? And I'm going to look at it.
Daddy, do you know what something I do know?
What?
I think I'll be busting the
Well, good luck with that, mate. I don't know how that's going to work. Yeah.
So here we see somebody actually making content, which we expect to see in a video soon.
I don't know if you can see that, but
What are you doing?
you can.
What are you doing?
That bit there.
That does look quite clear on your video. Yeah.
What we need to do is to basically to move forward. I need the radiators out so I can carry on dissecting it and tickling its pink bits and making a mess.
And he's about to get a shower. You've got a bit of pipe there, you could direct it outward.
Yeah, there you go.
Take the one off the bottom of that editor.
That is actually a bad idea, but yeah. Let's see how long this has been on here though. At least you can see colour through this one. You can't see colour through mine.
That looks like somebody's had a day at scrappy.
Yeah.
I know that
just
because I've
comes
had
up
days at
real
scrappy
nice
yards.
too. Yeah, like it were made for it.
If you flip it all the way, look, that, will that tighten down onto the copper tube that's on the pan?
Maybe.
Somebody spent money on silicon pipes, haven't
I weren't scared. Doesn't feel like there's anything actually in it.
they? Well, judging at the wet patch around it, it might have all leaked
Probably
out.
all leaked out.
We don't need to shut that valve, do we?
Hey?
That valve.
Oh no.
No. Well, there you go. So what's happening?
Yeah, somebody's
It's
about
making
it.
noises. It's got a leak.
It's probably letting air in and letting the level set.
Right.
Well, that's pissing out then, I think so.
It's not though.
It's sucking air in.
It's sucking air in. Why is it sucking in? That won't go over that, so I need that. I'm just going to get covered in it regardless, aren't I?
Yeah, it is looking that way. Oh no! It might just be. Oh, yeah, you are.
Yeah. Kind of counts.
Now, listen, think about this. If you put your gob over the long pipe and blow hard, it should blow the water through and out of that other pipe.
How long do you want?
I don't really fancy that, Ed, if I'm dead honest. Well, that's got green and
It'll
the
be fine.
coolant I put in it.
Is it warm?
Fucking hell. That's a minus 20, that. Yeah, just nice and bitter. That's going to take a while, isn't it?
It might do because it's not. Well, it is getting air into the system, but it's got to go around the system, hasn't it?
So now, if I went to the other side of that radiator and did the pipe work off that, even if it was to just cut it, then that's segregated off the system, isn't it?
You mean the radiator on this side?
On the other side, yeah, on the other side of that radiator, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because
'Cause that
that's the
runs-
bottom of one, isn't it?
That's,
There.
yeah,
So what do you mean? Take the one at.
this side, forward.
Yeah.
I'm going to say that didn't have a lot in it, if I'm being
Well.
honest.
Oh, what is it?
And that's too big to go in there.
On this.
Too small to go on.
It's YouTube.
Huh?
It's YouTube.
Oh,
I'm telling you, you have to film out every part of it because you can't find it.
There you go.
It's on YouTube.
Daddy, I did a
Oh, no.
video
Did you?
on the bus.
Very good, son.
Not on the.
Your dad might need it for footage yet, don't delete.
Yeah, because mine might be absolutely crap. Not usable. So, cameraman number 2, 1. Cameraman
No,
number
number
3, 1.
Where's
Cameraman
BGF
number
five?
4, 1. Cameraman number 5, 1.